A wonderful morning, children. Now, the fourth one we are going to learn. The fourth one is present perfect continuous tense. Very care about this one, children. If you learn perfectly present tense, the present tense, then automatically remaining tenses, the past tense and the future tense, you easily learn. So first remember that all rules, syntax, etc. Now the fourth one, the present perfect continuous tense. What is the syntax for this one? Subject plus auxiliary verbs has, have plus been plus V1 plus ing form and here object. Here we use one word since and for. Now listen, look at that very carefully. Right. This is the syntax, children. Why do we use this tense? Write down the definition. We use this tense to denote since how long an action has been going on. How long an action has been going on. Once again, I'll repeat you. We use this tense to denote since how long an action has been going on at the time of speaking or the present. Right. Now have a look at the example. Mainly, children, this tense is used. The action starts in the past. The action begins in the past. But now, at the time of speaking, the action, how much period it has completed, and when it has started, showing that period or time, we use this one. Example, I have been working here for 15 years. Once again, one more. I have been working here since 2005. Observe, children, here I used for period of time and since I used it for point of time. So we understand that since is used for point of time, for is used for period of time. I will give you the pictures. At once look at them and write them. Okay, na? Examples, whatever you have written in first simple present and present continuous, same pattern you have to continue the third one and the fourth one also. Note it down in your notes and write down. Here, children, keywords, these are the keywords, special ones, that's it. Okay. And one more thing, instead of this present perfect continuous tense, we can use the present perfect tense. The present perfect tense. We can use the present perfect tense also in this manner instead of this one. I have worked here for 15 years. I have worked here for 15 years. I have worked for 15 years. Okay, now we use only for, not since. If you want to use for and since both in simple present perfect continuous tense only, you have to use. Okay, have a nice time. We will meet in the next episode.